the real wealth. One day, a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. They spent 2 days on a farm of a very poor family. On the way home, the rich man asked his son how was our trip with his poor family and what did you learn? The son answered, I saw that we have servants to serve us, but they serve others. We have own dog and they have four. We have important lunch in our gardens and they have starts at night. We buy our food, but they grow theirs. We have a big pool in our garden. What they a creek that has no end. Friends, to protect them. Finally, the son added, thank Dad for showing me how poor we are.